a study guide for the New York State Court Officer-Trainee exam, 45-857, tested between August and October 2026. 5 sections, what each one actually asks, and the one thing most guides out there get wrong. Total time on the day, 3 hours 15 minutes. Section 1. Remembering facts and information. This is the one people fear, and it is the most trainable. You get a written incident, a story, not a picture. 5 minutes to study it, then it is taken away. Then a 10-minute delay before the questions. No notes. What gets tested is names, ranks, times, counts, and who did what. So rehearse those, not the plot. Practice with the real timing, including the delay. Studying for 5 minutes and answering immediately trains the wrong thing. Section 2. Reading. 2 formats. Format A is short passages with comprehension questions. Format B is a passage with numbered blanks and 4 choices for each. The rule for both. Everything you need is in the text, and anything you know from outside it is a trap. If an answer feels right because of something you already knew, that is the wrong answer. Section 3. Applying facts to situations. You get a court policy or procedure, then a situation, and you apply one to the other. Here is the pattern worth knowing. The correct answer usually needs 2 or more clauses of the rule combined, and each wrong answer violates exactly 1 clause. So do not stop at the first answer that matches. Check it against every clause. Section 4. Clerical checking. 3 sets of names, numbers, and codes, possibly in different fonts, and you decide which sets are exactly alike. Differences are usually 1 or 2 transposed characters. Compare line by line rather than word by word, and read the codes digit by digit. This is pure speed and accuracy. It rewards drilling more than any other section. Section 5. Court record keeping. You get tables, daily logs of cases, that kind of thing, and you combine and reorganize them into summary tables, then answer counting and lookup questions. Build the summary first. People who read the questions first end up rebuilding the same table 5 times. Now the part that will save you the most time. If you have read anything about this exam, you have probably seen it described as 7 ability areas: written comprehension, written expression, memorization, problem sensitivity, deductive and inductive reasoning, information ordering. That taxonomy comes from older announcements. It does not appear in the 45-857 announcement at all. The 2026 exam defines 5 sections, the 5 you just saw. If a study guide is organized around 7 abilities, it was written for a different exam, and a lot of what is out there was. And one more. Nobody knows how many questions are on this exam because it is not published anywhere official. The FAQ has a scoring example that starts, if an exam contains 100 questions. That is a hypothetical, not a count. So anyone promising you the exact number is guessing. We build our own mocks at 100 questions, and we label that as our default, not as a fact. That is the whole exam. Free practice for all 5 sections with the technique behind every answer is at dutyrank.com. DutyRank is an independent study product and is not affiliated with the New York State Unified Court System.